He weighed more than 300 kilos, and his life was a nightmare. Walking a few steps or sitting down was a risk. Leaving his house was like climbing a mountain. People looked at him with pity or mockery. But one day, he decided enough was enough. With courage, discipline, and patience, he fought and lost weight kilo after kilo. Finally, he reached 90 kilos, a weight he hadn't seen in years. His transformation has been incredible. He found confidence, freedom, and the desire to live. He could run, dress however he wanted, and enjoy life. He had overcome obesity, but a new challenge awaited him. His body was covered in loose, drooping skin, a constant physical and emotional burden that caused him pain and which he tried to hide under long clothes, even when it was hot. After winning the weight battle, he found himself trapped in another fight. Accept your transformed body. What will he do now? Will he have an operation? Accept it or look for another solution? If you want to know what happens next, write part 2 in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for the rest.